Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix an error occurred, try again later, issue on the Duolingo app. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I've got a simple step-by-step guide to help you get back to learning in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. This error often happens when your internet is unstable or slow. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or vice versa. To do this, swipe down to access quick settings, turn off Wi-Fi, turn on mobile data or the other way around. Test the app again after switching networks. Step 2. Restart the app and your device. Close the Duolingo app completely. Open your reinstall apps, swipe away Duolingo to force close it. Restart your phone. On most devices, press and hold the power volume down buttons. Slide to power off, then turn it back on after a few seconds. Once your phone restarts, open the app again and check if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Update the Duolingo app. An outdated version of the app might be causing the problem. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar and type in Duolingo. If you see an update button, tap it to get the latest version. Wait for the update to complete and launch the app again. Step 4. Reinstall Duolingo. If updating didn't help, try reinstalling the app. Long press the Duolingo app icon, tap uninstall or remove app. Then go back to the App Store, Play Store, search for Duolingo, and reinstall it. This gives you a fresh install without any corrupted files. Step 5. Use another device or platform. Still having trouble? Try accessing Duolingo on a different phone or tablet, or log in through a web browser on your computer at duolingo.com. This will help you confirm if the issue is with your device or your account. Final tip, wait for server issues to clear. Sometimes the issue might be on Duolingo's end. If none of the above steps work, give it some time and try again later. They may be experiencing temporary downtime. That's it. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix the try again later error in Duolingo. Let me know in the comments which step worked for you. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe to Error Genie, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.